Hi, welcome back to SR tutorial 1729. So today I will explain geometric progression. First, general form of geometric progression. A, AR, AR square, AR cube and so on. Here A is first term. A is first term. R means common ratio. So how to find out the common ratio? Common ratio R equals to second term by first term or third term by second term or fourth term by third term and so on. Okay. Next, see here A means first term, AR this is second term. Next, AR square third term. ఒకసారి అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ A1 మీన్స్ A, A2 మీన్స్ AR హియర్ పవర్ 1, A3 మీన్స్ AR స్క్వేర్ హియర్ 2. నెక్స్ట్ AR క్యూబ్ అంటే ఏమవుతుంది, ఒక నెంబర్ అనేది లెస్ అవుతూ వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ మనకి ఫిఫ్త్ టర్మ్ కావాలనుకోండి, ఫిఫ్త్ టర్మ్ ఈస్ AR పవర్ 1 లెస్ మీన్స్ 4. సో అండ్ సో ఆన్ ఇట్లాంటి మనం సిమిలర్గా రాస్తే నౌ nth టర్మ్ AR పవర్ 1 లెస్ అవ్వాలి కాబట్టి n మైనస్ 1. సో nth టర్మ్ ఇన్ GP, nth టర్మ్ ఇన్ GP, nth term in GP AN equals to A into R power n minus 1. So here A means what? A means we know first term, A means first term, R means common ratio, n means number of terms. ఓకే, మనం ఒక జామెట్రిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్ అంటే ఒక సీక్వెన్స్లో మనం ఏదైనా ఒక ఫిక్స్డ్ నెంబర్ని మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఫామ్ అయ్యేది జామెట్రిక్ ప్రోగ్రెషన్. ఇక్కడ ఏ తీసుకున్నాము, ఫిక్స్డ్ నెంబర్ ఆర్ అని అజూమ్ చేసుకున్నాము. సో ఇంటూ చేయాలి. సో ఏఆర్, నెక్స్ట్ అగైన్ యూ మల్టిప్లై మీన్స్ ఏఆర్ స్క్వేర్, అగైన్ మల్టిప్లై విత్ ఆర్ ఏఆర్ క్యూబ్ అండ్ సో ఆన్. దిస్ ఈస్ ది general form of GP. Okay, so finally here nth term in GP important. What is the nth term in GP? A into R power n minus 1 and common ratio. How to find out the common ratio here? Second term by first term or third term by second term or fourth term by third term and so on. Okay, this one common ratio. Okay, next see some examples. Some examples. Write 3 terms of the GP. Write 3 terms. Write 3 terms of the GP. See one problem. Here is given A equals to 4, R equals to 3. మనకి ఏం కావాలి, 3 టర్మ్స్. సో 3 టర్మ్స్ ఇన్ GP, 3 టర్మ్స్ ఇన్ GP. ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఈజ్ వాట్ A, సెకండ్ టర్మ్ ఈజ్ వాట్ AR, థర్డ్ టర్మ్ ఈజ్ వాట్ AR స్క్వేర్. సో హియర్ ఆల్రెడీ గేవ్ వాట్ ఈజ్ A వాల్యూ ఈజ్ 4. What is R value? R value is 3. Again A value is 4, R is what? 3 square. So first 3 terms 4 3s are 12. Here 3 square means what? 9. So 4 into 9. So finally 4 12 36. 4 12 36 are the first 3 terms in GP. Okay, one more example. root 5 1 by 5. So a, this is a, this one common ratio. Again say a, ar square, 3 terms. A means here root 5, ar root 5, r means 1 by 5, a root 5, 1 by 5 square. So root 5. Here denominator 5 is there. 5 means what? Root 5 into root 5. So 1 root 5 cancel. So remaining 1 by root 5. Here root 5. 1 into 25. So finally root 5. 1 by root 5. See here 25 can be changed to 5 5 5. It can be changed to root 5 into root 5 and remaining 5. So 1 root 5 cancels. So finally root 5, 1 by root 5, 1 by 5 root 5. So these are the 3 terms in GP. Next, which of the following are GP? Next, second bit. Which of the following are GP? See here 4, 5, 8 and 16 and so on. మనకి జీపీ ఉందా లేదని చెక్ చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ కామన్ రేషియోస్ ఈక్వల్ చూపిస్తే సరిపోతుంది. కామన్ రేషియోస్ అనేవి ఈక్వల్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి, మనకి ఇస్తున్న సీక్వెన్స్ అనేది జీపీలో ఉంటుంది. సో ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఈజ్ వాట్? a equals to 4. So here 4, 8, 16 are there. So this 4 assuming to a1, this 8 a2, this 16 a3 and so on. So common ratio equals to r equals to a2 by a1. What is a2 here? 8, a1 4 ones are 4 twos are, that is 2. Another a3 by a2, a3 is 16 by 8 ones are 8 twos are, this one also 2. See here common ratios are same. So here common ratios are equal. So 4, 8, 16 and so on are in GP. Common ratios equal into GP, not equal means not in GP. Okay. So one more example. Next one. 5, 55, 555 and so on. So this one a1, 55 is a2, 555 is a3. So common ratio r equals to a2 by a1. a2 is 55 by 5, 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 ones are, that is 11. Another ratio, common ratio a3 by a2 equals to 555 by 55. 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 ones are. So 1 1 1 by 11. So these both are equal. So here common ratios are not equal. Not equal means that given sequence is what? Not in GP. Okay, so 5, 55, 555 and so on are not in GP. Okay, equal means GP, not equal means not in GP. Next, one more problem. Find x so that x plus 2, x plus 6 are consecutive terms. Okay, of a GP, geometry progression. So find x value. So first of all, see here, x plus 2, x plus 6 are in GP. GP means what? Common. Here common ratios are equal. Common ratios equal. How to find out the common ratio? A2 by A1, A3 by A2. What is A2? X plus 2. What is A1? X. A3 x plus 6. A2 x plus 2. Now do cross multiplication here. Cross multiplication. So x plus 2 into x plus 2 equals to x into x plus 6. Multiply. First you take x and multiply these two terms. X square plus 2x, again same, 2x plus 4. Here also multiply these two terms with x square plus 6x. So finally x square plus 4x plus 4 equals to x square plus 6x. Both side x square same ఉన్నాయి కదా, cancel. So ఈ 4x ని rx change చేద్దాం. 4 equals to 6x minus 4x and 4 equals to 2x. 2 changes to LHS, that is divide. 2 1s are 2 2s are, then x equals to what? 2. ఓకేనా? ఈ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మనకి ఎగ్జామ్లో వస్తున్నాయి. ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ టైప్లోనే రావచ్చు, లేదంటే 2 మార్క్స్ కన్నా రావచ్చు. వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. అట్లానే ఇట్లాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్లో మనకి ఏపీలో కూడా వస్తాయి. ఏపీ అనగానే అక్కడ కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్ చెక్ చేస్తాము, జీపీ అయితే కామన్ రేషియో చెక్ చేస్తాము. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ వన్ చూడండి. ఫర్ ఈచ్ జీపీ గివెన్ బిలో ఫైండ్ కామన్ రేషియో అండ్ nth టర్మ్ an. సో ఫస్ట్ వన్ 3/2, 3/4, 3/8 అండ్ సో ఆన్. ఇవి ఆల్రెడీ మనకి జీపీ అని ఇస్తున్నారండి. జీపీ అని ఇస్తున్నారు, ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి? కామన్ రేషియో, nth టర్మ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ కామన్ రేషియో. కామన్ రేషియో r equals to a2 by a1. What is a2 here? 3/2. a1 is what? 3. 3 it can be changes to 3/1. So 3/1 changes to numerator 1/3. 3 1s are 3 1s are cancel, 1/2. This is common ratio. Okay, now nth term. an equals to a into r to the power of n minus 1. What is a? A means here 3, first term. What is the ratio? Common ratio 1/2 whole power n minus 1. So this is the nth term. Nth term in GP 3 into 1/2 whole power n minus 1. If you want to simplify this, see here how to simplify. మనం ఇంతవరకు రాసిన ఆన్సర్ మ్యాక్సిమం కరెక్ట్ అండి. ఒకవేళ మీరు సింప్లిఫై చేసుకోవాలనుకుంటే 3 into it is in the a to the power of m minus n, it is in the form of a to the power of m minus 1, a to the power of m by a to the power of n. So here 1 power n minus 1 and 2 power n minus 1. 1 power any number, that is 1. So 3. Okay, it can be changes to 2 power n and 2 power minus 1. So finally 3/2 power n, 2 power minus 1 changes numerator, that is 2. So finally 6/2 power n. This one also right. Okay, according to our textbook answer is 3 into 1 by 2 whole power n minus 1. Okay, this is according to our textbook answer. Okay, if you want to simplify this one also you can do. Okay, next one more. Two minus 6, 18, minus 54 and so on. See here, common ratio r equals to a2 by a1. So minus 6 by 2, 2 1s are 2 3s are minus 3. Nth term an equals to a into r to the power of n minus 1. A value is 2, common ratio minus 3 whole power n minus 1. Okay, so this is your answer. Next, find 10th and nth term. Find 10th and nth term of GP. So 5, 25, 125 and so on. So ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి? nth term and 10th term ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. చూడండి ఇక్కడ 10th term. So first given 5, 25, 125 and so on in GP. So what is the first term? First term a equals to 5. Common ratio r equals to a2 by a1. So 25 by 5, 5 1s are 5 5s are 5. So I want to know 10th term. 10th term a10 equals to a into r power 9. What is a value here? 5. R value is 5. So total it is in the form of a to the power of m into a to the power of n, a to the power of m plus n. So here 1 plus 9, 5 power 10. This is the 10th term. Okay, next I want nth term. See here how to find out nth term. In GP, nth term formula a into r power n minus 1. A into r to the power of n minus 1. We know a value and r value. Just you substitute in that, you will get answer. Nth term an equals to a into r to the power of n minus 1. What is a value? 5. R value also 5 power n minus 1. Again it is in the form of a to the power of m into a to the power of n, a to the power of m plus n. So 1 plus n minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 here cancel, 5 power n. This is nth term in GP. Okay, next one more problem. Next bit, find the indicated term of each GP. Here two problems there. First one, a1 equals to 9, r equals to 1 by 3, find a7. Okay, first term a1 equals to 9, common ratio r equals to 1 by 3. I want 7th term. 7th term a r to the power of 6, 9, r value is what? 1 by 3 whole power 6. 9 means what here? 3 square, 1 by 3 power 6. Numerator lo manaku 2 times, denominator lo 6 times undi. 2 times cancel aithe remaining 4 times. So what is the answer? 1 by 3 power 4. This is the 7th term in GP. Next, second problem. Here also first term is minus 12, common ratio is 1 by 3. 6th term. 6th term in GP, a r power 5 minus 12, r is 1 by 3 whole power 5. 12 it can be changes to minus 4 into, okay, minus 4 into 3. This one 3 power 5. Here 1 time cancel, remaining 4 times. So final what is the answer? minus 4 by 3 power 4. This is your answer. Okay, next one, which term of the GP? So which term here చూడండి ఒకసారి 2 8 32 and so on is 5 12. సో విచ్ టర్మ్ అని మెన్షన్ చేస్తే ఆ 5 12 మనం ఎంత టర్మ్ అని అజ్యూమ్ చేసుకుందాం. ఓకేనా? సో ఫస్ట్ 2 8 32 and so on in GP. So what is the first term? First term is 2. Common ratio A2 by A1. A2 by A1 8 by 2, that is 4. సో మనకి 5 12 అనేది ఏ టర్మ్ అని అడుగుతున్నారు. సో 5 12 మనకి ఏ టర్మ్ తెలియదు కాబట్టి మనం ఎంత టర్మ్ అని అజ్యూమ్ చేసుకుందాం. సో ఫస్ట్ అజ్యూమింగ్ టు 5 12 is nth term. సో an equals to 512. So an a into r to the power of n minus 1 equals to 512. A value we know 2. Common ratio is what? 4 power n minus 1 equals to 512. So 2 4 it can be changes to 2 square whole power n minus 1 equals to 512. So 2 into a to the power of m whole to the power of n. a to the power of mn అంటే 2 power 2 into n minus 1 equals to 512. Okay, 2 into 2 power 2n minus 2 equals to 512. చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఇది కూడా a to the power of m into a to the power of n, a to the power of m plus n. సో 2 power 1 plus 2n minus 2 equals to 512 మనం టోటల్గా 2 power n లో చేంజ్ చేయండి. 256 2 1s are 2 2s are 4 2 8s are 264 232 216 28 24 22. చూడండి ఎన్ని టూస్ ఉన్నాయి? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. సో దట్ ఈస్ 2 power 9. సో బేసిస్ ఏమున్నాయి కదండి, పవర్స్ ఈక్వల్ చేసుకుంటే 1 plus 2n minus 2 equals to 9. This is 2n minus 1 equals to 9. 2n equals to 9 plus 1. So 2n equals to 10. 2 1s are 2 5s are. n equals to 5. n value 5 అంటే మనకి ఫిఫ్త్ టర్మ్ వచ్చేసి ఫిఫ్త్ టర్మ్ ఈజ్ 512. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లం. సెకండ్ వన్ సేమ్ 1 by 3 1 by 9 1 by 27 and so on in GP. So first term is what? 1 by 3. Common ratio 1 by 9 by 1 by 3. 3 1s are 3 3s are. So 1 by 3. Common ratio is 1 by 3. First term also 1 by 3. So which term is 1 by 2187? So that is assuming to nth term. an equals to 1 by 2187. a into r power n minus 1 equals to 1 by 2187. So we know a value. What is a value? 1 by 3. So here r value 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1 equals to 1 by 2187. So it is in the form of a to the power of m into a to the power of n. So a to the power of m plus n 1 by 3 1 plus n minus 1 equals to, so 2187 మనం 3 లో కన్వర్ట్ చేద్దాం. 3 7s are 3 2s are 3 9s are 3 2s are 3 4s are 3 3s are 3 8s are 3 1s are 3 27 3 9s are 3 3s are. So total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 by 3 power 7. Here also plus 1 minus 1 cancel. 1 power n means 1. This is 3 power n equals to 1 by 3 power 7. So cross multiplication 3 power n equals to 3 power 7. Bases same. So n equals to 7. Therefore seventh term is 1000 1 by 2187. Seventh term is 1 by 2187. Okay, Next, next problem. Find a 12th term of a GP whose 8th term. So given that 8th term A8 equals to 192. So A8 means A r power 7 equals to 192. So already we know common ratio. What is the common ratio? Common ratio gave already, that is 2. So A into 2 power 7 equals to 192. A equals to 192 by 2 power 7. 2 power 7 means what? 2 power 5 means 32, 64, 128. 192 by 128. Then finally, what is A? 192 by 128. Simplify. 2 9s are 2 6s are 2 6 4. 2 4s are 2 8s are 2 3s are 2 2s are 16 3s are 16 2s are. Then what is A value? 3 by 2. Now I want 12th term. 12th term A12 equals to A into r power 11. What is A value? 3 by 2. R value is 2 power 11. So 1 time cancel and remaining 10 times untadi. 2 power 10 means 1024. Here multiply 2 4s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 7, 3 1s are 3. 3072. Okay, this is your answer. Next one. Fourth term is there and seventh term also there. Fourth term and seventh term. Find the series, geometric progression series find out cheyalanu. Okay, so geometric series general form ante ar square kada, అంటే మనకు ఫైనల్ గా a value r value find out చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. So given that fourth term a4 equals to 2 by 3. A4 and a r power 3 equals to 2 by 3. This is equation number 1. Next seventh term a7 equals to 16 by 81. And a r power 6 equals to 16 by 81. So మనం దీన్ని a r cube into r power 3 ఇట్లా రాయొచ్చు కదా. r power 6 అని ఉంది కదా, r power 6 ని r power 3 into r power 3. ఓకే, మనకి ఆల్రెడీ a r power 3 ఉంది చూడండి ఈక్వేషన్ 1 లో. a r power 3 means 2 by 3. ఓకే, రిమైనింగ్ r cube equals to 16 by 81. r cube equals to 16 by 81. 2 by 3 r చేంజ్ చేయండి, 3 by 2. 2 1s are 2 8s are 3 1s are 327. So r cube equals to 8 by 27. Then r cube equals to 8 means 2 cube, 27 means 3 cube, అంటే 2 by 3 whole cube. So r equals to 2 by 3. ఇక్కడ whole power 3 both cancel. So remaining 2 by 3. మనకి ఏ వాల్యూ కావాలి కాబట్టి ఫ్రమ్ ఈక్వేషన్ 1. From 1, what is the 1? a r power 3 equals to 2 by 3. So a into r value 2 by 3 whole cube equals to 2 by 3. A equals to 2 by 3. So 2 cube means 8, 3 cube means 27. Changes to 27 by 8. 3 1s are 3 9s are 2 1s are 2 4s are. Then what is a value? 9 by 4. Now I want GP, geometric series AR square and so on. A value 9 by 4. So 9 by 4. R value is what? 2 by 3. Again 9 by 4. 2 by 3 whole square and so on. So here 9 by 4. 9 by 4. Here 3 1s are 3 3s are 2 1s are 2 2s. Until finally 1 by 2 here. 1 by 2 here 9 by 4. 2 square means 4, 3 square means 9. 9 cancel, 4 on the cancel. And the remaining 1. Finally 9 by 4 comma 1 by 2 comma 1 and so on. This is the GP series. Okay. Next in the GPs 162, 54, 18 and so on, and 2 by 81, 2 by 27, 2 by 9. ఇక్కడ మనకి 2 GPs ఉన్నాయి. Have their nth terms equal. 2 GPs కి nth terms equal అంట. So find n value. Okay. First 162, 54, 18 and so on. So A is 162. Common ratio R equals to A2 by A1. Okay. 54 ones are 54 threes are. So 1 by 3. Nth term an equals to a r power n minus 1. A value 162, r value 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1. This is first GP nth term. Next second 2 by 81, 2 by 27, 2 by 9 and so on. Here first term 2 by 81. Common ratio a2 by a1 అంటే 2 by 27 by 2 by 81. So change to numerator 2 by 27 into 81 by 2. 2 to cancel, 1s are 3s. R value 3. Nth term an equals to a into r power n minus 1. So what is a value here? 2 by 81. R value 3 power n minus 1. According to the question, according to the problem or according to the code, చూడండి మనకి nth terms equal అన్నారు. So according to the problem, nth terms equal. Nth terms are equal. So what is the nth term here? First 162, 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1. 2 by 81, 3 power n minus 1. చూడండి 162, 2 by 81 changes to 81 by 2. Here 3 power n minus 1. 1 by 3 whole power 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1 changes to RHS. 3 by 1 whole power n minus 1. Okay, 2 ones are 281. 81 means 3 power 4. Here 3 power 4. Here 3 power 4. Here a to the power of m into a to the power of n. A to the power of m plus m. So here 3 power 8. Here 3 power 2n minus 2. 3 power 8 equals to, okay, bases same, powers equal. So direct 8 equals to 2n minus 2. Minus 2 changes to LHS plus 2. So 10 equals to 2n. 2 ones are 2 5s are. Then finally n value 5. ఏం లేదండి, మనకి ఎంత టర్మ్స్ ఈక్వల్ అన్నారు కదా. ఫస్ట్ జీపీకి ఎంత టర్మ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయండి, సెకండ్ జీపీ కూడా ఎంత టర్మ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయండి. సో ఎంత టర్మ్స్ ఈక్వల్ కాబట్టి ఈక్వల్ చేసేసేయండి. సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే మనకి ఎన్ వాల్యూ అనేది వస్తుంది. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ది ఫైనల్ ఎన్ వాల్యూ? ఎన్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 5. ఓకే, ఇదండి ప్రోగ్రెషన్స్, జామెట్రీ ప్రోగ్రెషన్స్. మీకు కానీ వీడియో కానీ నచ్చినట్టయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, తప్పకుండా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. హ్యావ్ ఎ నైస్ డే. బాయ్.